Linwaje is the setter with the absence of Cassie Carvalho, and they immediately go.
They would really contribute, and it's a battle on kung sino ang mas may ball distribution this time.
And also, pinalo ni Bartolome but rejected their first few games. Marga Altea took a big swing and she scores. Ilacasi Dongallo, Jelay Gajero, Kisi Madriaga doon. Bump set ni Basilio, papunta kay Borromeo with a bazooka.
Borromeo stepping up in this league. A lot of changes probably since the leadership of Deten Ito.
UST retakes the lead from the right side of the court.
That opening in the cross court.
101 freshman and rookie of the year. 1-2 play, ang bilis ng kamay.
Yeah, just seeing and capitalizing that the middle blocker is in the defense position.
Reg Jurado sa likod, popped up by Kyle Lieses. Borromeo swings at it. Sa kabila, Lieses had to adjust. Pinalo ni Poyos, and it's good!
Sweeper weren't just fast enough to defend that ball.
Instead, her focus is on playing her usual game, really staying in the present and allowing herself to just grow naturally into this new leadership role.
Good defense by UST. Poyos chased for that one. Free ball for Benild. Pinalo ni Soliven sa gitna. Nandoon si Arlene Wahe. Cross court. Galing kay Reg Jurado.
Poyos sa bola. Grabe. And of course, it's not UST without that defense.
Oo. Short serve.
Talk about most improved.
Jurado gets that one in. Serve. Not the most ideal of receptions. And naabangan pa si Jurado ng depensa ng Benild. Free ball for UST down by 4. Jurado goes for it again. Diving in was Tomas. Another chance for Uste. Combination play. Jurado.
The switch up in the place.
That Smart Power Up play was brought to you by the new Smart Power All 109.
Also, the attacks of Benild is all over the place.
Poyos. Just time.
Taking advantage that Basilio was.
Poyos.
That blocking of Benild and talon niya. And then parang mas tumagal pa lalo yung hang time niya this time around.
At nadepensahan pa nila yung palo sa 21-18.
UST not giving up just yet.
UST on the attack. Poyos denied. Chance ball for Benild. Basilio goes for Borromeo. For Benild. Escobar's first ball goes out.
See that Escobar wasn't quite ready. Or miscommunication actually.
They win this set 25-22.
Yeah.
Pepito. There's gonna be growing pains. But you know what? Ganda yung pagsagot dito sa simula ng ating second set. Bartolome down the line.
Bartolome, that emphatic attack in the open. Kita niyang late na ang pagpasok ni
Calieses. Rubin picks it up. Sa kabila pupunta, Reg Jurado off the block. No, di rin makalusot. Jurado dug up by Borromeo. Wahe to Rubin. Off speed. Soliven. Picked up by Poyos. Jurado one more time. Borromeo is there for the retrieval. Soliven, the big swing. At the middle, Onekwe. What defense showed by Tomas. Rally continues. Rubin, yes!
Rubin.
Soliven. Si Poyos ang tumatrabaho sa likod, ha? Hinabol ni Basilio. Galing sa likod si Borromeo. Wahe. Pinili si Jurado. Off speed. Bump set. Papunta kay Kyle Yeses. Poyos again all over the place. Rubin will punctuate that rally with...
Result for Kim Rubin, but you gotta commend the defense of Poyos at the back. Para siguro narinig niya tayo sa
Super League Girls Volleyball Invitational MVP, the most recent one.
But I think yung pag-deny sa kanya ata ng training camp na yun.
Wahe from the back row. Sliding in was Kylie Yeses, saving that one and continuing the rally. Kim Rubin gets it to go.
Kim Rubin.
Lang ni Bartolome. Jurado sumugod. Tomas bumps it up. Free ball for the Golden Tigresses. Wahe has a plethora of options. She chooses Bembanagua.
It was a good back quick setup for Mbanagwa because Benilde hasn't really seen much.
Kim Rubin on fire in a second set.
So far, the biggest lead here for UST with 18, with 8. Lumusot yung bola.
Di masyado na-press.
Oo.
Mbanagwa.
Fusion here for the side of Benilde, leaving only a single blocker.
9-point advantage to the girls from España. What a save. But second ball, di na nakuha ng UST. Pero
Try to counter kung anong gagawin ng Benilde.
deep cross court from Red Jurado.
That gap.
Wahe sets up Angge Poyos. Bump set from Tomas to Soliven. Red Jurado.
Justice is now in session.
That smart part of play was brought to you.
So, alam mo talagang merong unfamiliarity din dun sa part ni Red Jurado. Pero, who is she now? On the side of Benilde. Front row attacks na hindi gumagana ng maayos.
The hang time. 3-8. Soliven denied.
The first set.
It's an ace. We are tied one set of favorite thin crust pizza and chicken and mojos now. Poyos with a hammer.
Her 11th point in this game. And that was a good shot that coach called.
Off the block, denied.
See here the replay. Great Manning. But then tumama sa noo niya, right?
Bartolome sets up Kyle Yeses and they finally get themselves on the board in the first set.
Jerry.
Jurado will put it down.
In the cross court. Bartolome closing the line.
UST, can they pounce? They do, off the block attack from Red.
Man block, but the trajectory of Jurado's ball was definitely gonna get them that.
Pinrove naman niya yung sarili niya. Poyos, munti ka na naman.
More confidence than she had as a rookie. She credits that to the experience of competing against different teams and being rotated na to 3 different positions since. Now, if anything, she's just learned to become more versatile and ready to contribute whatever coach challenges her.
Bump set. Borromeo. Poyos will attack. Poyos. Man. Bartolome on the left side. Reg Jurado pounds it in. Kept alive by Tomas. Sliding in was Arasad. And another point for UST. Basilio.
But that Onekwe in this game, because she's just all smiles.
Yeah.
And what I note, previous teammates in Bacolod are playing against each other in the front line. You have Kim Rubin.
Sa gitna, Onekwe. Covered by Rubin. Reg Jurado. Defense there for Basilio. Rubin!
Flawless reception coming from Escobar to orchestrate that attack for Kim Rubin.
22-10. Pinalo sa gitna ni Empanagua.
Quicks.
Borromeo down the line hits.
She liked that set, and that was the set that she was looking for.
That smart power up play was brought to you by just 19 years old, right?
Yeah.
Borromeo with a response. Poyos, the adjustment from her. Oh! Return to sender in the third set, 25-12.
Followed by Kyle Yeses with 5.
By the way, those 8 points all coming in the second set for Kim. Sorry, combined second and third sets. Oh, Blessing Onek. Set by Wahe to Jurado.
Unstoppable, Regina Jurado.
18 points for number 18.
Wala na, nahabol niya na yung jersey number niya.
Kim Rubin down the line. It's good. Avid fan sila ng UST?
Hindi, ng Shakey's.
Ng Shakey's.
Avid fan ko.
Ah, sa ikaw.
Benilde.
Acohedo, the set to Angge Poyos. Chance for Benil, Borromeo. Sa likod, Kim Rubin puts it down for US.
Stellar in the front row and even at the back row here for UST.
It. Oh, an ace from Angge Poyos. Jurado goes down the line. Nicely done by Reg. She's now up to 20. Poyos from the back, rejected by Campos Bartolome. Basilio set to Kylie Eses. Embanagua. Sullivan picks it up. Lieses, deep cross court.
Yes.
Golden Tigresses. Almost a botched attack from Borromeo. Poyos has the emphatic response.
That watch attack by Borromeo. One thing's for sure.
Diving in. All still in play. Poyos. just simply
That down the line spot was open. And Kyle Yeses was actually shocked to defend that ball.
playing much better in this set. Dahil nung sets 2 and 3, grabe yung naging lamang ng UST. Maganda rin naman. Unekwe. Yes is the tap. Goes down. Borromeo on the other side. Diving in was Escobar. Poyos with that thunderous spot.
Getting that mic drop and that last sequence. Grabe talaga yung hang time.
This game, Pau Escobar shared that replacing a player like that Pepito wasn't without fear and self-doubt. Na kung ano man nga daw
Ito for Binild. But they have to make their move now. And they have to stop.
Now seeing daylight, and it's golden for the women from Espa.
Kim Rubin hammers that one home.
And Benild hold the fort longer.
Not just yet, says Tomas. Oh, Borromeo with a costly error, and UST wins the title for the first time here in the Shaky Super League National.